Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on POCO M7 Pro. So first, something simple but effective, basically restart your phone. Sometimes restarts can clear temporary software glitches, so it's worth doing at the beginning. So press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now scroll your finger downwards until the screen goes black and the icon of the reboot turns green. Now your phone will restart, and I'll see you guys once my phone has restarted. So now what you guys can do is try turning off the auto brightness. So unlock your phone, now head over to settings, and here scroll down until you guys see display and brightness. Here make sure that the automatic brightness is disabled, and here what you guys can do is try and adjust the screen brightness so it doesn't flicker. Now scroll a bit down until you guys see this screen section. Now go to refresh rate, and here make sure to set it to a lower value like 60 Hz instead of 120. Now what you guys can try is updating your software, because sometimes software updates can fix display related bugs. So now leave settings, go over to about phone and click on the HyperOS. Here it'll check for an update. As you guys can see, for me there are no updates available. I'll double check it for you guys, and if updates are available for you, then make sure to download and install them as fast as possible. Now what you guys can do is try turning off the developer options if they are enabled. If they are not, then you're good to go. Basically, if you want to enable them, you need to go over to the, let me show you, go to about phone, here click on OS version, and now we are a developer. Now those settings should be either here or right at the bottom in the additional settings. Now here we have the developer options, and now if they are enabled for you, then simply click here, and now they're gone. So as a last resort, if none of that helped, is factory resetting your phone. So make sure to back up everything before you do, because it will delete all of your important files and data. So go over to about phone, here scroll a bit down until you guys see factory reset, and here click erase all data. But before that, make sure that you have your backup ready so you don't have to install anything or download the same files again. So click erase all data, now enter your password if you have one, and then click factory reset after the backup. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, I hope it helps you, and if it did, then let me know in a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.